Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion. What exactly is high risk pregnancies and are they really common?
Yeah. So high risk pregnancy is something like whenever a mother or the baby is at danger of during their pregnancy. So that makes the pregnancy a high risk. It's not a
Okay.
normal journey.
Okay.
Like mother who has conceived naturally and she's not having any problem like blood pressure or diabetes or thyroid, or her placenta is normal, or the baby is a singleton pregnancy,
Okay.
or she's not having any complications, she can do all her works well, there is no pain or anything, so those are low risk pregnancy.
Okay.
But when these things like low lying placenta, or maybe high blood pressure, or maybe a diabetes during pregnancy, or thyroid during pregnancy, or she's having a twin pregnancy or a triplet pregnancy, or the placenta is on a low lying. So these makes the pregnancy a high risk.
Okay.
So when we talk about high risk, it is not that it is very uncommon.
Okay.
These days we see many women having this high risk pregnancy, like because of the lifestyle, or maybe because of their stress, or maybe because of their attitude towards their life, or competitive world, or whatever. The pregnancy that has to be a smooth journey is
Okay.
becoming a high risk.
Yeah.
So the thing is ki the approach towards this high risk pregnancy in an obstetrician life becomes a bit different than what it is for a normal pregnancy.
Right. So I think for their convenience, can we explain to them one by one the things you have mentioned? Like, for example, you have multiple
Yes.
gastations or
Yes.
preeclampsia or your placenta previa, whatever. So can we just explain it to
Yes.
them?
So the thing is, when we talk about the high risk pregnancy, and the mother may be having certain blood pressure issues before the pregnancy, she has started with the high blood pressure earlier only,
Okay.
or the mother, that is called a chronic hypertension, and she has become pregnant, or she might be developing a high blood pressure after 5th month of pregnancy.
Okay.
So that is called pregnancy induced hypertension, or hypertension during pregnancy.
Okay.
So that is a high risk. Why we say that? Because in the pregnancy, the placenta is formed in such a way that there is a lot of coagulopathies, or the placenta which supplies the blood to the baby, with which it gets all the nutrition from mother. So that is not formed in a proper way. So that is why the supply of the blood is through a high resistance. So the baby doesn't get a good blood flow. Mother develops high blood pressure because of the certain hormones that are generated in the mother during this pregnancy. She starts having blood pressure more than 130/90 during the gynec visit. Then she starts having swelling in the legs, or the swelling in the hands. When it really increases, so every time a mother comes to us, we check her blood pressure, we check her weight, and we check any edema or any swelling in her body, and even the urine test that we do every monthly. So when we see that there is a rise in the blood pressure more than 130/90 in every blood pressure in her visits, then we keep a check that this mother may develop towards the hypertension.
Got it.
So if repeatedly, like more than 2 findings or 3 findings are more than 130/90, we tell them to recheck your blood pressure during during her normal days, and then we tell them to come back to us, and we tell them that now that you have developed blood pressure during your pregnancy, it has to be monitored. So the monitoring and the visits to the doctor becomes more, and then we need to explain them that this pregnancy it can cause a side effect to you and the baby.